Say hello, happy boy. Hi, everybody. Hi. I just had some dinner. I am so full and so happy now, huh? So happy. Are you such a happy boy? So yeah, looking at my mama. Did you just eat your dinner? Did you just eat? Are you so full? Huh? Are you so full? Yes, I'm so full now. Yeah, I feel real good. Say, you watching college football with your dad today? Yeah, watching college football? Do you like football? Maybe football, not baseball? What do you like better? What opinions do you have about it, huh? Aww. Yeah. Will you smile again? Will you smile, huh? Will you smile? Will you smile? No smiles? No more smiles. No more smiles. Hi. Hey, big boy, you smile? No more smiles? No, Mom, I'm done. That's it. Say, alright, well, bye-bye.